How to save stickers on Snapchat. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can save stickers on Snapchat. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for the Snapchat app and look for updates. If there are updates available, then update it. If not, then go back to your home page and open the Snapchat app on your device. In Snapchat, you will land to the recording page. Make sure you are logged in to your account. From the bottom panel, select the option Friends, and now you will land to your chat section. Now here I'm just gonna go to a random chat. At the very bottom, you will see the messaging box, and right beside the messaging box, you will see an emoji icon. Click on it and you will be able to see all of your stickers. Now just to show you guys, I'm gonna select a random sticker. I'm just gonna search for love and select a sticker. Tap on a sticker to send it to your friend. I'm just gonna select this one. After you have sent it, tap and hold on it. And now from the bottom menu, select Save in Chat. When you have done this, then your sticker will be saved. Next time you can easily access this sticker. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.